the way, you must try the restaurant I sent you, mustn't you?
Yes, but it's not as good as the recommendation on the internet. You know, I think all the comments are seedy.
Really? How was it?
The service there was really bad. I needed to ask for a spoon twice, so my soup was almost as cool as ice.
That's bad. Maybe because the place was full.
No, not at all. Almost all the customers were tourists. I think the locals will never come to that restaurant. And you know what?
What else?
The soup needed more salt and pepper. I asked them many times, but no response. I gave up asking them anything, especially...
There is something worse?
Yes, the worst thing is my friend's cheese chicken. There isn't any cheese in her cheese chicken fingers.
Oh my.
We had to wait for the dishes for 45 minutes.
Oh, I will never believe the reviews on the internet anymore.
Sure, and you shouldn't come to that restaurant as well.
Absolutely. Have you rated it 1 star?
Not yet. I don't want to waste my time accessing their website. Anyway, the holiday was still perfect.
Getting lost.
Excuse me? Are you busy now?
Hi. No. What's up?
I think I'm lost. Could you help me?
Sure. Where do you want to go?
I am trying to get back to my hotel. I am living in a revenue hotel. Do you know it?
Unfortunately not. But did you check the location on Google Map? I think it will help you a lot anyway.
Yes, I did. But I'm so bad at reading maps. I have gone around this area for around 20 minutes.
Oh, let me help you. Oh, it's next to the AM Mall, isn't it?
Yes, that's right.
I know that mall.
Awesome.
But you are a long way.
I thought I might be.
I can give you directions because it's not too complicated.
Thank you.
It's this way. You can go straight ahead, cross 2 crossroads.